Hello, it's Lisa Dickey from Dickey's Cooking School, and I'm going to show you how to separate eggs. So number one, why would you separate an egg? The reason you separate an egg is because sometimes certain recipes call for just the yolks. If you're making meringue, you're going to just want the whites. Some cakes want you to mix the yolks and the whites separately so you can have a bit more volume and make it more fluffy. Okay, when you're cooking eggs for meringue, for example, you do want them at room temperature. If you're making macaron or you're making meringue for lemon meringue pie, you want them room temperature. So either leave them out, or you could put them in a warm bath of water for a few minutes. You don't want to cook them, and you certainly don't want food poisoning. Okay, so separating your eggs. You're gonna give a nice quick tap on a hard corner. Okay, over one bowl, you're gonna pry your shell apart, and then you're just gonna pass the yolk gently between the two halves, and that's it. It's really important if you're making meringue that you do not get any yolk into your whites. If you get yolk into your whites, then they won't whip properly. So just be careful to do that. Discard your shells. I've been told that it's really good for your garden. You wouldn't know if you looked at my garden, but it's supposed to be really good. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Now we're ready to bake. Thank you so much for listening, and always check in at dickeyscookingschool.com. We've got loads of tips to get you baking and cooking. Bye.